In recent studies, nature retreats have shown remarkable effects on mental clarity. These retreats, often held in serene environments, allow individuals to disconnect from technology and reconnect with their inner selves. Participants reported enhanced focus, improved cognitive function, and reduced stress levels. Activities like hiking, meditation, and simply absorbing the natural surroundings foster a deeper connection with nature. Experts emphasize that spending time in natural environments not only soothes the mind, but also cultivates a sense of well-being that lasts long after the retreat has ended.